Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nerea Atieno. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber, and in this channel we do videos on hair, beauty and lifestyle. So today we are going to focus more on beauty, and as you've already seen in the title of the video, I'm going to be showing you the makeup tools and products you need as a beginner. Like, these are the essentials. You cannot kickstart your makeup journey without these ones. And I'm also going to mention their costs and their uses, so that you get to estimate how much you would need to buy all these products and tools as a beginner. Okay, so without much to say, guys, let's get straight into it. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you all the tools you need for eye makeup, because we normally start our makeup from the eyes as we proceed onto the skin and all that. So first of all, for the eyes, you need a spoolie. This is called a spoolie, that is used to comb the eyebrows so as to give them a defined shape as you line. Then after lining, we're going to need this flat brush, very flat brush, and make sure it's very sharp. So this one is for clearing your eye pencil using the concealer you use. And we have these two fluffy brushes. I didn't understand why we have the same brushes in one set. I didn't really understand, but I came to understand because one of the brushes we use to blend the concealer and the foundation after applying. Then this other fluffy brush, this one is used to apply your eyeshadow. Yeah, this one is used to apply your eyeshadow. And guys, I mean, that is it for eye makeup. These are the 4 tools you need for eye makeup. So there's this set of brushes. These 4 brushes come from this set of brushes. They're 24 pieces. I bought them from Kilimall when there was the Black Friday offer, so they were affordable. They were around 1500 shillings. But as a beginner, you could just buy those small sets of brushes. But they come in handy. They come in handy for beginners, because that is what I normally used to use. That is what I used to use before buying this set of brushes. So yeah, before you get these ones, you can get those ones first. And just we just need the essentials for a start, and those ones normally cost around 400 bob maximum, or just 500 shillings. So now that you're done with the eyes, and we want to proceed on to what you need for application of foundation, blending concealer and all that. So the following are the tools you need for that. So we have right here a brush. So this is an e.l.f. brush. I got this a while back, but it has lasted me a very long time. This is an e.l.f. brush. This is a brush used to apply foundation. You see why this side is a bit brown? Because I normally apply what's it called, primer, from this side first. Then this side I used to apply foundation. Yes. And then we have this angled brush. This one is most suitable for applying contour all over your face, in the necessary areas, of course. And then this one is also a small angled brush. I normally use this one to contour my nose. And how could I even forget this? So I have 3 beauty blenders right here. Msijali zinakaa ziko kwa kifuniko ya tin, but yes, so I have 3 beauty blenders. I have this one. They're in different shapes. This one and this one. Yeah, so this one beauty blender I normally use to blend my face, to blend the foundation on my face. I would advise that you use what's it called, the brush, to apply the foundation. After applying uniformly, then you just use this to go over it, so that you can reduce the harsh lines. Then this, I know you're asking why does she have more than 1 beauty blender? So this one is for applying or blending the highlights, the concealer, after applying under your nose like this, not your nose, under your eyes. So this one is for blending in the concealer and also setting the areas where you have concealed or where the areas where you have highlighted. Yes. And this one is just an extra one. I mean, not really necessary, but for a beginner, you can just have two. One costs 100 shillings, so two will cost 200, which is not much. And these things also, you just buy them slowly. You cannot buy everything at once. Okay, guys, imagine basically we are done with the tools. This one, it's not really necessary for beginners. You can do without this one. This one is that one for applying, what's it called, blush. It's not really necessary if you're a beginner. And for the tools, we are done. Guys, remember, these are the most essential you need to kickstart your makeup journey. So let's go to the products now that you need. Now for the eyes, you need eye pencil. This is Davis number 3 eye pencil. If you're my skin tone or lighter, this is what you need for your eyes. But if you are dark, like if you're dark skin, you need Davis number 1 eye pencil. I don't know if you can see properly, but this is the black, the darkest. So you need this one, because if you apply this one and you're dark skin, it will disappear into your skin, this brown one, because your skin is almost this skin color. So you use the dark eye pencil. So I have 2 concealers here. This one is the one I normally use to clear my eye pencil after applying, and also to highlight the necessary areas. And I have this dark one. So this dark one is, I normally use it for contouring sometimes. Yeah, so if you don't have contour, it's not a must you buy a contour palette as a beginner. You can just spend 100 shillings. This costs 100 shillings each. So you can just spend 100 shillings to buy this one to contour your necessary areas, you know. And 100 shillings for clearing the eyes. I mean, we are working on a budget. Then also, before just anything, you need a moisturizer. You need to moisturize your face. So if you could get a cleanser and a moisturizer, well and good. I normally moisturize using rose water. So yeah, you can get a nice cleanser and moisturizer to cleanse first your face and moisturize. But for me, I normally use rose water. And you should only use products that are suitable for your skin tone. You should know your skin type. That's when you know exactly the products to use. Like when you're picking a moisturizer, let's say you know these CeraVe moisturizers, they're normally made according to your skin tone. Like you could find the CeraVe moisturizers, there's one that is it's normally indicated oily to dry skin, and oily skin only. I'll look for those pictures and put them here. They're normally specified, so just go for the one that is your skin type. Then we also need a face primer. And what else? And other than that, you need foundation. You need foundation of your skin tone. For me, I'm using Fit Me matte and poreless. The matte and poreless ones are the best because they don't melt down during the day. And foundation costs ranges from 300 bob to 1500 shillings. Kunadis are 7k. But as a beginner, of course, but buy foundation you're 7k. Why would you do that to your bank account? Then other than that, I have the following. These are powders. So I use these two. This is Sacha buttercup setting powder. The writings have faded off. They were somewhere here, but they're faded off. So this is Sacha buttercup setting powder. Then this is the Luron setting powder. Mnaitanga Pond's, I don't know. Then this is the MAC Studio Fix contouring powder or finishing powder. You can use it to contour. Guys, I don't know if I mentioned, but makeup has really no rules. You can go with whatever works for you. Makeup has no rules. So let's say you contoured using this dark concealer. then it's advisable to go over with this dark matte studio fix finishing powder or contour powder. Yeah, and a setting spray is optional. You can have and you can also do without. It's not really necessary, it's not really a must. Yeah, so guys, imagine basically that is everything you need. Oh, I also forgot to mention that you need lipsticks at least. You're a lady, you're a woman of standard. How will you boost your confidence without lipstick? You cannot lack lipsticks. So I have these are the lipsticks I have. I don't have much, imagine. I have very few lippies because I like using lip gloss. So these are the lippies I have. These ones, they're Maybelline. These ones are Maybelline. I have 4 Maybelline ones, and this one is called Sleek. This one I just got from just a drugstore there, somewhere there. And also this one is called Sleek. This one is lip gloss. Yeah. So yeah, you cannot lack lip gloss. Imagine, how would you even lack lip gloss? So guys, I keep starting this video over and over again because I forget to mention some things. So there's some things I did not mention about the eye makeup. You need an eyeshadow palette, even if it's a small one, as long as it has a few matte and shimmer colors, or even if it's only matte colors, it's fine. So I normally use this eyeshadow, which this one I got from Du Bois. It has 63 shades. It has matte and shimmer shades. Yeah. And I also have this small glitter palette. To make my eyeshadow pop a little bit at least. And then you also need eyeliner and mascara. So this mascara I also bought from just a drugstore, just somewhere outside there. Then I don't know where this one eyelash is. I don't really know. You need lashes, but it's optional. There's some people who don't like using lashes, which is just fine. And aside from lashes, if you have lashes, if you want to be having lashes on, you'll definitely need lash glue. So this is the white lash glue. I normally use this white lash glue. So you'll need lash glue, of course. What else have I not mentioned? Those are all the essentials you need as a beginner. I mean, that's basically just it. So for more information, guys, please check the description box. I'll mention there the prices of everything you need as a beginner and the total cost. It will be in Kenyan shillings. So if you're Kenyan, the better you will understand. And if you're not Kenyan, we will do the math for you and indicate there. So everything else will be in the description box below. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you, and I guess I'll wrap up this video at this point. So if you haven't subscribed, guys, please do subscribe, like this video, share, give it a big thumbs up, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.